Hi all, welcome back to Food is Good channel. Today we bring you a very simple dish of chili chicken. Now there are several recipes and several videos on YouTube of chili chicken. We are just bringing our own version of how we make chili chicken at home. So let me quickly walk you through the ingredients. So we have the king of the dish, that's the chicken, and I'll now walk you through what we're going to do and how we're going to go ahead and make the chili chicken. Okay guys, so first step, add some salt, and then we are going to add turmeric. Now guys, so add some salt and then turmeric. Salt and turmeric are very important when we make anything chicken. Now we're going to mix it, and then for 15-20 minutes we are going to keep it aside. Just mix it well and then keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Folks, it has been 15 to 20 minutes. Right at this period of time, we are now adding ginger garlic paste, and we'll again mix it. Around 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste should be good. Now this, folks, this recipe is actually my mother-in-law's, so I would like to thank her for sharing this recipe with us, and we are going to share it with you guys as to how we make the chili chicken at home. Remember, we are not going to add any soy sauce and anything. It's just an Indian version of the chili chicken. So now, since we have mixed the ginger garlic paste, we'll keep it aside for another 45 minutes so that it can get that flavor of ginger garlic paste into the chicken, and then we'll continue on the journey. Guys, it's been two hours now, and we have kept the chicken marinated with the ginger garlic paste and turmeric and salt. Now we are going to go towards the veggies. So we have around 4 to 5 onions, medium sized onions that we have cut into sliced into small pieces. Then we have some green chilies. It's a chili chicken, so we need to have the chilies in it. Now it depends on how spicy you want the chicken to be. If you want it to be more spicy, have more chilies. We have cut around 8 to 9 chilies here. That we are going to. If it feels it is not sufficient for you, you can go for more chilies. If it feels it is too much for you, you can go for less chilies. And we have around 3 medium-sized tomatoes that we have cut into small pieces. And then we have this chicken masala, Everest chicken masala, that we are going to use later when we are going to make the chicken. So the first step is we are going to take the onions and the green chilies and put it in this oil. Oil is ready and hot, ready to go. And just for 2 minutes, we are going to fry it. So let me go ahead and put in the onions and the chilies too. So for 2 minutes, we'll just stir it, and then onto this we will add the chicken. So you can stir it at high flame. So remember this, if you are under the assumption that we are making a Chinese dish, no, it's an Indian version of chili chicken because we are using Indian masalas. So we do not have those Chinese sauces or soy sauce or any of this. It's just a version of chili chicken that we make at home. Again, thought of sharing it with you guys. Very simple to make. Once you put in the chicken, once you put in the masala, it gets ready in 20 minutes and you can have it. It can be had with rice, and it can be had with roti, puri, anything that you want to. We'll just stir it for 2 minutes, and then we'll add the chicken to this. So it's time for us to add the chicken. Now this chicken is around 2 kgs or so, and depending on that we have taken this onions. So if you have less amount of chicken, you can go for less amount of onions too. So it is around 2 kgs that we have come up with, and we are going to make the whole bunch. I'm just going to put it into this. It's been 2 minutes since we were frying the onions. I'm just going to add it now, and we're going to mix it well. So guys, I've just mixed it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to keep it at low flame and let it fry for 10 minutes on low flame. In middle, after 3 to 4 minutes, just keep on checking on it and just keep on mixing it. And then later on, after 10 minutes, we'll come and put some masalas, but put some tomatoes, and I will walk you through that step. See you guys in 10 minutes. Guys, it's been 10 minutes. I'm just tossing it a little bit, just moving it here. And now we're going to add the other ingredients. We are going to first add the tomatoes that we had cut. Then we are going to put in chili powder. Now this is a good amount of chicken, around 2.5 kgs. So we're going to add good amount of chili powder. It's a chili chicken, guys. It doesn't become chili chicken without chili powder and green chilies. We have the Everest masala. We're going to put the whole packet in this. And if you feel salt is a little bit less at this period of time, you can add salt. For us, salt is good enough. And then what you have to do is now mix it well. Or if you want, you can toss it also. If you're not able to toss it, go ahead and mix it. So we're going to toss it. If you mix it, there is a chance you might break the chicken. But if you cannot, just go ahead and slightly mix it. And then keep it on medium flame for 5 minutes and your chicken should be ready. So let's go ahead and do it and see you guys after 5 minutes. So guys, it's been 10 minutes since we kept it on medium flame. It's ready now. Look at the color, it tastes awesome. Now if you want a little bit less curry, you can. Okay guys, so the chicken is ready. Look at the color, look at how it has turned out to be. It was only 10 minutes we kept it. Now if you want less curry, you can keep it for 5 more minutes and it will evaporate and it will become thicker curry. But since we usually have it with rice, we go with little bit curry. But otherwise the chili chicken is ready to go. Chili chicken is ready to go and it tastes awesome. The smell is good. I would again credit my mother-in-law to sharing this recipe with us. I thank her for sharing this recipe with us. So guys, I hope you liked what you saw today. If you did, please subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive future notifications for all our upcoming videos. Thank you and have a great day.